Alright, Lily, here. Yeah. Okay, we gotta put the key. First we gotta put the key in. Oh man, hang on a minute here. Here. You stand really close. Here. You wanna turn it? Yeah, put your knee right there. Now turn it like that. You gotta turn it harder. 1, 2, 3, turn it to the right. There you go. Now turn it back. Now turn it back. Okay, now pull it out. There you go. There you go. This one you gotta have a key. Why? This is an old one. This is another one. This one you gotta have a key. Alright, you ready? Okay, get over. You gotta call it, you know. Alright. What do you wanna do? Okay. Why is it not going? Well, Bluey, you gotta push the button. What button? Hit. No, you gotta hit 2. Oh, here we go. Wow, this is fun. Yes, it is. Really. Boom, boom, boom. This is a fun elevator. Alright. Go right now. Hit 1. No. Alright. What's in there? That's another phone. I'll show you. The don't touch it. That's an emergency phone. That's for emergency, only if you get stuck. Yeah. Wow, this is cool. Yes, it is, Bluey. I love this elevator. So this bus has 2 elevators? Yes, it does. This is cool. I want to take one more ride. Okay, well, hit the button. Oh, yeah, I know. I can't hit 1 because it's already on 1. I have to hit 2. No. Okay, hit the line bell. No, here, we're going to hit the button. No, not that one. Hit 2. Oh boy. Alright. You wanna get out and ring the bell? Sure. First thing you gotta do is you gotta put the key in. Nope. Here. Alright. Ready to go back down one last time? Alright, hit 1. No, you're hitting 2 there, Bluey. That's not 2, 1. It's not going down. You gotta hit 1. I know, not the alarm bell. Hit 1 and not the phone. I hit 1. This is a fun elevator. Here, hit 2 again. Here. You were getting around again? No, we're gonna get off here. I want to show you something cool again. Hit 2. Just hit 2. Yeah, the phone. That's a cool phone. Don't press it. Alright. Okay, listen to this. Okay, listen. Just listen. Okay, watch the door close. Just listen. That was cool. Yes, it was. Here, can we clock back down? Amazing, that's a cool machine.
What is this?
This is the main machine room.
A machine room?
For the elevator.
I thought there was just one. No.
There's two of them here, so there's two elevators, so there's two machine rooms. Alright, well, watch your clothes and that's gonna be it. Alright, that's gonna be it for right now.
Oh, okay.
Hope, anything you wanna say anything?
Hope y'all enjoyed now. I'll see y'all later. Peace.